رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي ربي زدني علما. I want to first of all congratulate you all for finishing the Unit 1 and Unit 2 successfully. MashaAllah, Tabarakallah. You are all advanced students now. And from today onwards, we are going to start the Unit 3, which is about the different verb forms. And in this unit, we have 16 lessons. And lesson 1 to lesson 9 are the different forms, the form 2 to form 10. And then after that, we are going to learn the misdirections, conjunctions, numbers. And Sarf is the study of word patterns and how the meaning can be derived based on these patterns. And it is a mechanism through which you can learn to recognize the pattern of a majority of the words in the Arabic. And with Sarf, you can also construct a multitude of words when given a single word. The Sarf is actually, it has the first word of the Madi, present tense. Okay, like for this, I've taken form 2, Allama, he taught. And we have the first word of Mudare, that is present tense, Yu'allimu, he teaches. And then we have the Masdar, the idea, in case this is Ta'liman, education. And then we have the Isam Fa'il, right? The doer, the person with the job, Mu'allimun, the teacher. And then we have the past passive, Madi Majhul, Ullima, he was taught. And then we have the present passive, Yu'allamu. This is Mudari Majhul. And again we have the Masdar. We have two Masdars just for the flow, okay? And then we have the Maf'ul. So it's going to be the recipient, Mu'allamun, the student. And then we have the Amr, command, Allim, to teach. And then we have the Nahi, La tu'allim, don't teach. And then we have the Zwarf, which is about the time and place. Mu'allamun, the school. And you just put the one word like Ain, Lam, Mim, and it generates a lot of words. Like we have Allama, Yu'allimu, Ta'liman, Mu'allimun, Mu'allamun, Ullima, Yu'allimu, Allim, La tu'allim. Okay, and if you put even other words like you put daraba or sami'a or nasara, it generates a lot of hundreds and hundreds of words. We have understood the concept of sarf now, that you just put one word and it generates a lot of words. That's what is sarf about. Arabic words are made up of 3 root letters. As you all know, if you have, for example, nasara, the root letters are noon, sad and ra. That is the fa kalima, ain kalima and the lam kalima. Right? There are different forms of words, like if we take form 4, aslama, again in this word also we are going to take out the 3 root letters, and I'm going to teach you how. Okay, so the purpose of sarf is to take 3 letters, for example fa, ain and lam, okay, and not only make one word out of it, but make an entire family of words out of it, so that you don't have to learn all of that vocabulary. You don't have to learn how do you say he taught, or how do you say he teaches, right? Or teacher, or school and everything, right? You can just create those words if you know the sarf. Instead of looking each one of them up in the dictionary, you finding out how to say them, you can just make them yourself when you know the sarf. So that is the benefit of sarf. The sarf, as I have already explained, it has the first word of fi'al madi, mudare, Madi Majhul, Mudare Majhul, Amr Nahi, Isam Fa'il, Maf'ul, and Masdar and Gharf, right? That's how it is. It is kind of like a tree, okay? And it has multiple branches. The Sarf tree, the root actually gives the basic meaning of the word, and the trunk, this is the Sarf family or the form. Like it has different forms, and it gives a different and unique meaning to the basic root letters. And we have different families. We already learned the 6 small families, right? Nasara, Yansuru, Sami'a, Yasma'u, and although they are called as Mujarrad. And then in Unit 3, we are going to learn about the big families. There are 9 big families. They are called as Mazid Fi, okay? And the branches are kind of like, it's kind of word, like it could be Ism, it could be or Fi'l, right? It's a specific group of words that can be formed using the roots and form patterns. And the leaves are their individual words. Okay, and they are formed and grouped according to the function. And we need to know the origin, the root letters, what exactly the root letters are, and the sarf family and the kind of word in order to translate its meaning. Different types of sarf are sarf saghir. Saghir means the small sarf, and sarf kabir, the big sarf. And the sarf saghir, we have, as I've already explained, fi'al madi, mudari, masdar, fa'il, madi majhul, mudari majhul, masdar, and ism maf'ul, amr, nahi, and zarf. So this is the sarf we have already taken. Allama, he taught. Yu'allimu, he teaches. Masdar is ta'liman, education. And fa'il is mu'allimun, the teacher. And the madi majhul ullima is who he was taught. And mudari majhul yu'allamu, he is taught. Masdar again, just for the flow. And we have the maf'ul mu'allamun, student. And the command is allim. And the nahi is la tu'allim. The zarf is same as the maf'ul mu'allamun. And this is the place, which is school here. We just took allama, the first word of the madi, right? But in case of sarf kabir, the big chart, we are going to have the whole madi chart for allama. Like we have allama, allama, allamu, allamat, allamata, allamna, allamta, allamtuma, allamtum, allamti, allamtuma, allamtunna, allamtu, allamna. Right? We have the whole chart, and we also know the meaning of all these words, right? Allama, we know he taught, right? And allama, they both taught. Allamu, they all taught, right? We have the mudari chart. We have the entire mudari chart from yu'allimu, yu'allimani, yu'allimuna, and until u'allimu, nu'allimu. And you also know the meaning. He teaches, they both teach, they all teach, right? And the masdar is it follows the Muslimun chart, like Muslimun, Musliman, Muslimin. It has ta'limun, ta'liman, ta'limin. And Muslimani, Muslimaini, Muslimaini, ta'limani, ta'limaini, ta'limani. But in case of the plural, since it is non-human broken plural, you're not going to have ta'limuna like Muslimuna, Muslimina. But it's going to be like Muslimatun, Muslimatin. It will be ta'limatun, ta'limatin. And the ism fa'il, the doer, right? It's teacher. And this will it takes the mudari, yu'allimu, you replace the you with a mu. And since this is an ism, you put a tanween at the end. It becomes mu'allimun, mu'alliman, mu'allimin, and it follows the Muslimun chart. And then we have the madi majhul, he was taught. You have the whole entire chart, like fu'ila pattern, you have ullima, ullima, ullimu, the whole entire chart. And then you have the mudari majhul, yu'allamu, he is taught. We have the whole entire mudari majhul chart, yu'allamu, yu'allamani, yu'allamuna, all the way up to nu'allamu. And then we have the maf'ul, that is mu'allamun, the student. How do you get the maf'ul? You take the mudari majhul, yu'allamu, you replace the you with a mu. Okay, it becomes mu'allamu since it is a ism, and it will have a tanween. It becomes mu'allamun, mu'allaman, mu'allamin, the same Muslimun chart. And then we have the command, the amr, allim, allima, allimu, allimi, allima, allimna. And then we have the nahi chart, la tu'allim, la tu'allima, la tu'allimu, the whole chart. And then we have the verb, which will be same as the maf'ul pattern, like mu'allamun. This is all about the time and place, right? So here it is school. So when you look at the sarf kabir chart, right, you have learned so many words. Approximately, like each chart has 14 words, right? If you count, it will be roughly around 120 or something words, more than that. Okay, so subhanallah, just by learning the sarf, right, from just the 3 root letters Ain, Lam, Mim, you have constructed 120 plus words. And there are 2 kinds of words in a sarf template. We have ism and we have fi'l. In case of ism, what is an ism? Right? Something that ends with a tanween, right? And we also learned about the fa'il is ism, the maf'ul is ism, the masdar is ism, and the zarf is ism. Okay? So we have 4 words out of the sarf chart are ism, and the rest of the words are fi'l. That fi'l madi, fi'l mudari, fi'l madi majhul, fi'l mudari majhul, amr and nahi. Right? 6 words are fi'l and 4 words are ism. Al-Madi, the past tense, you all know it's huwa is the inside doer for allama, he taught, right? So you can say huwa allama, huwa is the inside doer. Huma allama, huma is the inside doer for allama. Allamu, the inside doer is hum. Hiya allamat, huma allamata, hunna allamna. Anta allamta, antuma allamtuma, antum allamtum, anti allamti, antuma allamtuma, antunna allamtunna. Ana allamtu, nahnu allamna. So this is the fi'l madi chart for form 2 allama family. And the mudari would be, again we have yu'allimu, the inside pronoun is huwa. So I've taken huwa yu'allimu. Huma yu'allimani, hum yu'allimuna. Hiya tu'allimu, huma tu'allimani, hunna yu'allimna. Anta tu'allimu, antuma tu'allimani, antum tu'allimuna. Anti tu'allimina, antuma tu'allimani, antunna tu'allimna. Ana u'allimu, nahnu nu'allimu. And we have the command chart. You already know allim, allima, allimu, allimi, allima, allimna. And the nahi chart is la tu'allim, la tu'allima, la tu'allimu, la tu'allimi, la tu'allima, la tu'allimna. The masdar chart, it follows the Muslimun chart. Like we have Muslimun, Musliman, Muslimin. So we have ta'limun, ta'liman, ta'limin. And we have the Muslimani, Muslimaini, ta'limani, ta'limaini, ta'limaini. But for the plural, okay, in case of Muslim chart, it's going to be Muslimuna and Muslimina. But masdar here is non-human broken plural. So it's going to follow the Muslimatun and Muslimatin pattern. So it's going to be Ta'limatun, Ta'limatin, Ta'limatin. Okay. And also remember, for the big families, the Mazid fi families, there is always the set masdar pattern for each form. So in case of form 2, allama yu'allimu, the masdar is always ta'liman pattern.
So is the masdar pattern going to be the same for all the forms or only this form?
No, just see, each form has its own masdar pattern. So in case of form 2, the pattern will be taf'ilan or ta'liman. Okay, if you can put any word in this pattern, the masdar is going to be in the ta'liman pattern. Okay. Have the ism fa'il, the doer. And how do you make the ism fa'il? In form 2 is you take the mudari yu'allimu. And the next step is you replace the you with a mu. It becomes mu'allimu. And the next step is, since it is an ism, you will have a tanween. It becomes mu'allimun. And the ism fa'il, the whole entire chart, it will follow the Muslimun chart. So we have mu'allimun, mu'alliman, mu'allimin, mu'allimani, mu'allimaini, mu'allimaini. And like Muslimuna, Muslimina, it will be mu'allimuna, mu'allimina. And we also have the feminine, mu'allimatun, mu'allimatani, mu'allimatun. How do you make the ism maf'ul? You take the mudari majhul. Mudari majhul is yu'allamu, right? So you replace the you with a mu and you put a tanween. It becomes mu'allamun. And this also follows the Muslimun chart. We have mu'allamun, mu'allamani, mu'allamuna. And the feminine is mu'allamatun, mu'allamatani, mu'allamatun. How do you make the madi majhul for fa'ala? Fu'ila. So same way for allama, it's gonna be ullima. Okay. So this is the madi majhul chart. Huwa ullima, huma ullima, hum ullimu. Hiya ullimat, huma ullimata, hunna ullimna. Anta ullimta, antuma ullimtuma, antum ullimtum. Anti ullimti, antuma ullimtuma, antunna ullimtunna. Ana ullimtu, nahnu ullimna. And the mudari majhul chart, it's gonna be yu'allamu. Like fa'ala yaf'alu, fu'ila yuf'alu. So same way we have allama yu'allimu. And the madi majhul and mudari majhul would be ullima yu'allamu. And the chart is yu'allamu, yu'allamani, yu'allamuna. Tu'allamu, tu'allamani, yu'allamna. Tu'allamu, tu'allamani, tu'allamuna. tu'allamina, tu'allamani, tu'allamna, u'allamu, nu'allamu. And the verb would be same as the ism maf'ul, mu'allamun. Okay, so this will also follow the Muslimun chart, mu'allamun, mu'allaman, mu'allamin. But in the plural, this will behave like the masdar, right? Since it is a non-human broken plural, so instead of mu'allamuna and mu'allamina, we are going to have the atun and atin, mu'allamatun and mu'allamatin. There are two sarf families. The first one is the thulathi mujarrad, which we have learned in our unit 1, right? All the small 6 families.
Nasara, daraba, fataha, sami'a, hasiba, and karuma.
Very good, mashallah. Right, and we have the second type is thulathi mazid fi. Mazid itself indicates extra. Okay, so here we have the extra letters added to that. The meaning of thulathi? 3, right? So this is 3 root letter. There's nothing extra added for these small 6 families. And thulathi mazid fi, mazid is extra, fihi is in it, right? And extra is added to the words. Another chart for thulathi mujarrad, we can take the first bab nasara yansuru. We have the whole entire chart. Nasara yansuru nasran, nasirun, nusira yunsaru nasran, fahuwa, this is for the flow, okay? And we have mansurun, unsur, la tansur. Daraba yadribu, darban is the mazhar, daribun madrubun, duriba yudrabu. Idrib la tadrib. Who want to make the surf chart for fataha? Yaftahu.
So it's fataha yaftahu fathan. Iftah la taftah. Fatihun maftuhun.
MashaAllah.
Futiha yuftahu.
MashaAllah. Fataha yaftahu fathan, fatihun maftuhun, futiha yuftahu, iftah la taftah.
Sarf saghir, should we also add the ism zarf there or no?
Yeah, you have to add zarf. Covered the zarf topic.
It would be same as the ism maf'ul, right?
No, this is the small 6 families. I was talking about the big families. Not so. In case of nasara yansuru, then sarun, mansirun, mansaratun, or minsarun, minsaratun, minsarun. And in case of daraba yadribu, the verb will be madrabun, madribun. The same pattern, right? Like mansarun was there. So you're just putting madrabun, madribun, madrabatun, itbun, midrabatun, midrabun. Maftahun, maftihun, maftahatun, miftahun, miftahatun, miftahun. And then we have karuma, yakrumu, karamatan or karaman, and karimun. And in this example, the karuma yakrumu, right? What will be the ism fa'il for this?
It should be karimun.
Fa'ilun, it should be karimun. But what do you see here? Karimun. Karuma yakrumu. Here it will not have karimun, but the fa'il will be karimun. And there is no madi majhul and mudari majhul for this bab. Okay? So you just have the command ukrum and the nahi la takrum. And then we have the verb makramun, makrimun, makramatun, mikramun, mikramatun, mikramun. Sami'a yasma'u sam'an, fahuwa sami'un. Sumi'a yusma'u sam'an, masmu'un. Isma' la tasma'. And the verb is masma'un, masmi'un, masma'atun, misma'un, misma'atun, misma'un. Hasiba yahsibu hisaban, fahuwa hasibun. Husiba yuhsabu hisaban, mahsubun. Ihsib la tahsib. And then we have mahsabun, mahsibun, mahsabatun. And then we have mihsabun, mihsabatun, mihsabun. And now we have the thulathi mazid fi, the big families. And surf chart for form 2 we have already covered, and the surf chart for family 3, that is fa'ala family. We have jahada, yujahidu, and then the masdar, we have 2 masdars for this. It's in the jihadan or mujahadatan pattern. Always remember. You can, if you put fa'ala, yufa'ilu, what will be the masdar? Fi'alan or mufa'alatan. Right? The surf chart for form 4 is aslama family, which is we have aslama, yuslimu, islaman, fahuwa muslimun, uslima, yuslamu, islaman, fahuwa muslimun, aslim, la tuslim, and then we have Muslimun. Okay, if you have Af'ala family, then what will be the masdar?
فعل.
If'alan, right? If'alan is the masdar, right? You just replace with aslama, you're just putting af'ala. And then we have the surf chart for form 5, that is ta fatha family. Ta'allama yata'allamu ta'alluman, muta'allimun muta'allamun, tu'allima yuta'allamu, and then we have ta'alluman, and we have ta'allam la tata'allam. Dharf is same as the maf'ul. And form 6 is ta'awana yata'awanu ta'awunan, muta'awinun muta'awanun, tu'uwina yuta'awanu ta'awan la tata'awan. Don't worry about this. Inshallah, we're going to learn in detail about these families. Form 7 is E family. From form 7 onwards, this is inqalaba yanqalibu inqilaban, munqalibun munqalabun, inqalib la tanqalib. And form 8 is iqtaraba family. iqtaraba yaqtaribu iqtiraban, muqtaribun muqtarabun, uqturiba yuqtarabu iqtiraban, iqtarib la taqtarib. Form 9 is about colors and defects. We have ihmarra yahmarru ihmiraran, marra ihmarri ihmarir, la tahmarra la tahmarri la tahmarir, ihmarrun. And form 10 is istaghfara family. Istaghfara yastaghfiru istighfaran, mustaghfirun mustaghfarun, ustughfira yustaghfaru, istaghfir la tastaghfir. There are actually 12 or more forms. In Quran, the form 2 to form 10 are used. So that's why we are going to learn in detail about form 2 to form 10. Zanul fi'l, form 1 verbs, you all know they are the small 6 families, the mujarrad families. Fa'ala, yaf'alu, or sami'a yasma'u, daraba yadribu, karuma yakrumu, hasiba yahsibu. They are all form 1 mujarrad families, small 6 families. And form 2 to form 10, they are divided into 3 groups. Group 1, Group 2, and Group 3. In the first Group 1, we have form 2, that is fa'ala yufa'ilu family, which is the causative of form 1. And we have form 3, which is fa'ala yufa'ilu, which is the associative of form 1. And we have the form 4 family, af'ala yuf'ilu, which is the causative of form 1. So in group 1, how many families we have? 3 families. Form 2, form 3, and form 4. Okay. And why are they divided into one group is, if you look at the mudare, all the mudare, they start with you, right? Ya with a dhamma, yufa'ilu, yufa'ilu, yuf'ilu, right? They all start with a U and end with a dhamma. That's why they are categorized in group 1, form 2, form 3, and form 4. They are divided into group 2. They are called as ta fatha family, which means the madi start with a ta with a fatha, and that group is form 5, tafa'ala yatafa'alu, the reflexive of form 2. And then we have form 6, which is tafa'ala yatafa'alu, the reflexive of form 3. So here, if you look at the madi, they all start with a ta fatha. This is called as ta fatha family. And the mudare, this always start with a ya with a fatha. Yatafa'alu, yatafa'alu. Okay, so that's why they are divided into group 2. This is called as ta fatha family. Now comes the group 3. All the families start with an E, the madi. So we have form 7, infa'ala yanfa'ilu, the reflexive of form 1. Form 8, ifta'ala yafta'ilu, the reflexive of form 1. And we also have the form 9, which I have missed it here, that is ihmarra yahmarru, that is about the colors. Okay, and then we have istaf'ala yastaf'ilu, form 10. So what do you notice here? All the madis start with an E, infa'ala, ifta'ala, ihmarra for form 9, and istaf'ala, right? And the mudare start with a ya and ends with an dhamma, yanfa'ilu, yafta'ilu, yastaf'ilu. Example for form 2, allama yuallimu. The form 3 example is jahada yujahidu. Example for form 4 is aslama yuslimu. This form 5 we have ta'allama yata'allamu. Form 6 is tasa'ala yatasa'alu. Form 7 inqalaba yanqalibu. Form 8 iqtaraba yaqtaribu. Form 10 and form 9 is ihmarra yahmarru family. And then form 10 is istaghfara yastaghfiru. This is how the entire chart from form 1 to form 10 looks like. This is divided into two categories, the nouns and the verbs. In case of verbs, they are divided into active verbs and passive verbs, right? The ma'ruf and the majhul. In case of active verbs, we have the fi'l madi, and then we have fi'l mudari, and then we have fi'l amr. And in case of majhul, we have madi majhul, we have mudari majhul. And in case of nouns or isms, what all we have? We have masdar, we have the active participle ism fa'il, and then we have the maf'ul, the passive participle, and then we have the dharf, the place and time. Somebody tell me what is the madi, mudari and masdar for allama to teach?
yuallimu ta'liman.
MashaAllah. What is the meaning of allama?
He taught.
He taught. Yuallimu?
He teaches.
He teaches. Ta'liman? Masdar?
To teach. Education.
Education. MashaAllah. Right? Let's start with form 2. Fa'ala yufa'ilu, the causative of form 1. Okay. Here we have the root letters fa, ain and lam. But the middle letter ain is having a shadda. Fa'ala. Okay. So the visual clues for form 2 are allama. Here we have a shadda in the middle root letter, right? Lam is having a shadda. And the mudari present tense starts with a dhamma. Allama yu'allimu. Surf chart, it's gonna be allama yu'allimu ta'liman, mu'allimun mu'allamun. Ullima yu'allamu ta'liman, allim la tu'allim mu'allamun. Okay, so this is the surf chart. Form 3, fa'ala yufa'ilu, which is associative of form 1. What the root letters are fa, alif, ain and lam. So these are the root letters. And the visual clues for form 3 are, this is called as jahada family. Long alif sound is there in form 3, jahada, like fa'ala. And there are two masdars for this family. You have to always remember, form 3 has two masdars. Okay. And the mudari starts with a dhamma. Jahada yujahidu. You have to jahada yujahidu, two masdars, jihadan wa mujahadatan, mujahidun mujahadun, juhida yujahadu, and jahid la tujahid mujahadun. Form 4, af'ala yuf'ilu, which is causative of form 1. Hamza, fa, ain and lam are the root letters. The visual clues for form 4 are aslama, the madi starts with an extra hamza, okay, and the mudari starts with a dhamma. Af'ala yuf'ilu, aslama yuslimu. And the command, the amr, pay attention to this. This is the unique form where the command has a special helper hamza. And in none of the families so far we have learned, the command never had a fatha. Remember, it could be daraba yadribu idrib, sami'a yasma'u isma, karuma yakrumu ukrum, nasara yansuru unsur. We never had a fatha on the command, on the amr. But only in form 4 family, the command will have a fatha and the command will be aslim. The surf chart for form 4 is aslama, he submitted. Yuslimu, he submits. Islaman, right? Submission. Fa'il is muslimun. You take the mudari, yuslimu, it becomes, you replace you with a mu, it becomes muslimun. And the mudari majhul, it becomes yuslamu, becomes muslamun. And then in case of command, amr, this is the only family where the command has a fatha. And nowhere in none of the families you never had a fatha on the hamza. It was always like daraba yadribu idrib or nasara yansuru unsur, right? But in case of form 4, the command will have a fatha. It will be aslim, la tuslim, and then muslamun. This
The master have Dhammatain also
yeah,
Islam.
because I always, what did we learn in masdar? Masdar is declinable. It is a noun. It could be Islamun, Islaman, Islam. Remember, I told you it follows the Muslimun chart. The form 5 family, tafa'ala yatafa'alu, which is reflexive of form 2. What are the root letters? Ta, fa, ain, with a shadda, and then lam. And the visual clues for form 5 are tafarraqa. So there is an extra ta before the first root letter. Tafarraqa. And there is a shadda on the second root letter. Ra is having a shadda. And this likes the fatha a sound. Tafarraqa. And the surf chart for form 5 is tafarraqa, he divided. Yatafarraqu, he divides. Tafarruqan, division. Mutafarriqun. And mutafarraqun, tufurriqa, yutafarraqu, tafarraq, la tatafarraq, mutafarraqun. So how do you make the command? You take the mudare, yatafarraqu, you drop the alamat mudare. If you drop the ya, tafarraqu, and then you make the mudare majzoom, and it becomes tafarraq. And then the nahi is, you take the mudare, you make it majzoom. Mudare is tatafarraqu, right? It becomes la tatafarraq. That's why we have 2 tas here. Form 6, tafa'ala yatafa'alu, which is reflexive of form 3, and the root letters are ta, fa, alif, ain, and lam. So these are the root letters, and the visual clues for form 6 are, we can take ta'avana. Here there is an extra ta before the first root letter. Ta'avana. And there is a long alif after second root letter. And this likes the a sound. And the difference between form 5 and form 6 are, in form 5, extra ta before the first root letter is there. And there is a shadda on the second root letter. Ta'allama. Very good. And the form 6, this has extra ta before the first root letter and long alif after the second root letter. Fa'ala. And the surf chart for form 6 is, we are taking sa'ala to ask. We are taking tasa'ala, he asked. Yatasa'alu, he asks. Tasa'ulan, asking. Fahuwa mutasa'ilun, one who asks. And mutasa'alun. This was mutasa'ilun. This is mutasa'alun. Tusu'ila, he was asked. Yutasa'alu, he is being asked. And then we have the command tasa'al, ask. And nahi, la tatasa'al, don't ask. And the verb is the same as the maf'ul mutasa'alun. For example, ta'avana yata'avanu ta'avunan. Muta'avinun, muta'avanun. Tu'uvina yuta'avanu, ta'avan, la tata'avan. And form 7 is infa'ala yanfa'ilu, the reflexive of form 1. And the root letters are in, fa, ain, and lam. Okay, so this form 7 is, this starts with in. Okay, and the visual clues for form 7 are, in qalaba, there is an extra noon before the first root letter. There are no passives. Okay, so this form 7, always remember, this will start with an in. The surf pattern for form 7 is in qalaba, he turned away. Yanqalibu, he turns away. Inqilaban, turning away. Munqalibun, no maf'ul as well for this pattern. No madi majhul, no mudari majhul, because this is always intransitive. And the action always affect the doer. Okay, and we have the command inqalib, la tanqalib, and then munqalabun is the verb. So form 8 is ifta'ala family. Ifta'ala yafta'ilu, this which is reflexive of form 1. What are the root letters? E, fa, ta, ain, and lam. And the visual clues are This is iqtaraba. There is an extra ta after the first root letter. Okay, iqtaraba. And the surf pattern for form 8 is iqtaraba. He brought close. Yaqtaribu. He brings close. Iqtiraban. Muqtaribun. Muqtarabun. Uqturiba. Yuqtarabu. And iqtarib. La taqtarabu. The difference between form 7 and form 8 is there is an extra noon before the first root letter and there are no passives for form 7. Can inqalaba, yanqalibu, right? There was an extra noon. And form 8 is there is an extra tab after the first root letter, that is iqtaraba, yaqtaribu. The form 9, this is all about the colors. Okay, so it is in if'alla pattern or ihmarra. And the meaning is he reddened, that is he blushed. Or turned green, you say ikhdarra, which is in if'alla pattern. Visual clues for form 9 are, we have ihmarra, the colors only, right? Shadda at the end. So this form 9 is only for the colors and there is a shadda at the end. And this has occurred 11 times in the Quran for black, white, green and yellow. And also for this form 9 there are no passives. The surf chart for form 9 is, we have ihmarra, he turned red, yahmarru, he turns red, ihmiraran, turning red, that fa'il, and there are no passives for form 9 and no maf'ul. And the command is, there are 3 commands for this. It could be ihmarra or ihmarri or ihmarir. Okay, and the nahi, there are also 3 nahi for this, forbidding. La tahmarra, la tahmarri, la tahmarir, don't turn red. And the dharf is muhmarrun. The last form is the form 10, istaf'ala, yastaf'ilu. Letters are ista, okay, and then we have fa, ain and lam. And the visual clues for this are istaghfara, this is called as ista family. Surf pattern for form 10 are istaghfara, he sought forgiveness, yastaghfiru, he seeks forgiveness, and the masdar is istighfaran, forgiveness, right? And then we have the fa, mustaghfirun, maf'ul is mustaghfarun, and the Madi majhul is ustughfira, mudari majhul yustaghfaru, and the command is istaghfir, seek forgiveness. La, mustaghfarun. Jazakallah khairan everyone for